Okay, let's do this. Integration by partial fractions. We're going to do the easier types of problems. And if you remember, I break this up into two pieces, a over x plus 3 and b over 3x plus 1. I see that the denominator separates. What would I do to the top and bottom here if I wanted to combine them? A times 3x plus 1. What would you do here? Multiply the top and bottom by x plus 3 all over x plus 3 times 3x plus 1. So, as we multiply this out, I distribute the a. I get 3ax plus what? A plus bx plus 3b. And that has to come out to equaling how many x's? 2 x's and how many constants? 0. So, if you look, I have, again, 3ax and bx. Those are my x terms. And if I were to add 3ax's and I were to add bx's, I would have to come up with how many x's? 2. So therefore, 3a plus b has to equal 2. My constants add up to 0. My constants are ones that don't have x's on them, namely a plus 3b is equal to so. That's Spanish for 0. Oh, it was for Brooke. So, all right. If you want to combine these together, we're going to use elimination. I'll multiply the top through by -3. And if I do that, I get a -9a minus 3b is equal to -6. What is a plus -9a? -8a equals -6. Divide both sides by -8. A is how do I find B? How do I find B? Plug it back in. If A is 3/4, got to find B. So 3 over 4 plus 3B is equal to 0. Or 3B is equal to -3/4. Divide both sides by 3, and you get B is -1/4. I thought I left enough room, but it looks like we're running out, aren't we? So somewhere you're going to have to figure out room, whether that be a separate sheet of paper. If it were me, I'd have to attach a separate sheet of paper. So. So, this is the fraction decomposed. That's what we say. We've decomposed it. We've split it apart. 3/4, that would be the same as 3 over 4 times x plus 3, if you were to multiply by the reciprocal, minus 1 over 4 times 3x plus 1. So we have now rewritten the problem. Let us now integrate. If you want to integrate this, I would integrate it in simply two pieces. 3/4 times the integral of 1 over x plus 3 minus 1 over 4 times the integral of 1 over 3x plus 1. Both with the dx. In the first scenario, what does u equal? What is du? Just dx. So you can make a straight up substitution. So we have 3/4 times the integral of 1 over u du. Minus, what is u for the next one? What is du? Du is going to be 3dx. Do you have a 3dx? No, so we multiply by 1/3. So I'll have a 1/12 out front times the integral of 1 over u du. Can you now take the antiderivative? What's the antiderivative of 1 over u? Natural log. So you have 3, whoop, I'm sorry. You have 3/4 natural log of x plus 3 minus 1/12 times the natural log of 3x plus 1 plus c. You've now found the antiderivative of what was the original problem. So it looks like you're going to very well have to attach a separate sheet of paper. We'll do one more together, kind of get our bearings, and then you have the rest of the hour to work. What? We'll decide. We'll see how long the next one takes us. It took a little bit longer than I hoped. Very good.